After I'm done with that pile, I could do a big one behind it, and then I got this little pile over here. That's burning faster than I would hope that it would burn. You know, it's raging. There's flames going almost 100 feet in the air. I'm gonna go get that can of gas out of there. Well, keeping that fire is making the can actually warm. It's about 100 feet from the fire. But I'm not going to go pick out the can of warm gas that's so close to a fire that big. I'm just going to let it burn out. Well, it's about 20 minutes later. The whole front part of the pile has burned itself out. Now it's gone out to the back side and it's over to the left side. This little section over here, I'm going to let it go down a little ways. I'm going to down a little way, and then when it gets down far enough, I'll just stamp it out. It'll be all, that won't spread. But I can't leave here until this fire has died way down, or until it starts really pouring, because it's supposed to be pouring rain tonight. What I'm going to do is go circle around the whole entire fire area and pick up all the sticks I can so it doesn't spread anywhere. I should have done that before I lit it. Over on the left there's a lot of sticks. Looks like it's actually starting to spread towards the left. I better go down there and tend to that. Alright, signing off. I got work to do here. And after about a month later, I decided to burn. There's the first pile that I burned. And behind it is the second pile. And way behind that is the third pile, which I'm not going to burn because it's too close to the rest of the forest. If I burn that, it would start a forest fire. This one here I burned because it was so far from anywhere else. It was totally safe. I burned that when everything was tinder dry. I could have started a forest fire. But here, we had a soaking rain yesterday. So that's not going to start a forest fire, hopefully.